Hello! It's unboxing time of Mary Kay products. Let's go! Unsealed na natin yung ating box. Ayan. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo what's in the box. What's this? Moisture renewing. This is my favorite. So, gagawa ko nito ng FB Live. Kasi may mga bubbles kasi para hindi siya kumalaw na yan. And hindi siya madikong yung mga boxes. Yan. Ito yung aking sales invoice. Kahit yung papel ba mo? Ito yung aking order from my friend in Calibo. This is under eye corrector. And this is semi-gel. Ito yung product na free ng Mary Kay noong anniversary niya. Yay! Finally! Gagawa din ako nito ng video. This one is the gift from Mary Kay. Kasi isa ako sa mga achiever last, I think July. Yan! Nandito na siya. Kasama nitong gift. Diba? What's this? Super cute! Ay, ang ganda ng bag. Tingnan natin. Nagulat naman ako. Super cutie. Ayan guys. Tingnan nyo. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, tingnan nyo. Diba cute? Medyo haggard lang ako, pero ang cute niya, promise. Oh, thank you, Mary Kay. Na-surprise talaga ako dito. Balik lang muna natin. Yan. Ito naman kanina is the bag. Yan, ano to, makeup bag na transparent ng Mary Kay. Yan. So, pwede ko din to i-gamitin personally or i-gift ko sa mga happy clients ko. Ay, ang saya-saya naman. Okay, so meron ako dito 3 moisturizing gel na botanical effects. Yan. So, this one is for my friend Ryan. This one is for my sister kasi kukumpleto niya yung regimen niya. And this one is for my friend also, yung future cousin ko. Yan. And oh my gosh, ito pa. This one is the satin lip scrub and the butter, the shea butter. Yan. This is for my friend Ryan. Cute. Super sealed talaga. And this one is the cleansing bar. 3-in-1 cleansing bar. This is for Ryan also. Wow! He's my super happy client. Yan. So, ito na siya. Super sealed, oh. Ayan. And, oh my God. Tada! This one is, ito pala yung super bango. Ito pala yun. Satin hands. This is for me. This is gift ko para sa sarili ko. Yan. So, para in the future, maganda na yung aking hands. Ang bango niya, guys. Promise. Yan. So, that's it for my unboxing and see you sa next video.